This is video 4 of many. The ongoing land theft in North aCEH, locations 30 to 39. People of aCEH and the world, we continue exposing the faces and names behind the seizure of our sacred land. Every village, every hectare, every drop of blood has a story. Let the world hear it. 30. Minasa Pulo U, UTARA. Over 210 hectares seized to build joint military corporate logistics posts. Year, 1995 to 2001. Main perpetrators, TNI, Captain Eko Wahudi, ExxonMobil Logistics Division, Mr. Syamsul I-31. Aliyu Papan, Bakhtiar Barat. 8 children abducted. Mass grave found in 2012. 260 hectares still occupied. Year, 1993 to 1999. Main perpetrators, Kopassus, Major Sutrisno, Brimob Unit C, Inspi. Rudy Heryanto 32. Aliyu Dharma, Loksukon gas expansion corridor cleared by force. Entire community displaced. Year, 1994 to 1998. Main perpetrators, TNI Battalion 113. Lieutenant Wahid Yassin, ExxonMobil Area Dev. Mr. Rizal Wahuni 33. Gampong Baro, Muara Batu. Women raped in a burned madrasa. Aid workers barred. 220 hectares militarized. Year, 1992 to 1997. Main perpetrators, Brimob Detachment A, Sergeant Aditya, Intel SGI, Lieutenant Rian Indrawan 34. Matang Satui, Tanah Pasir Religious School turned into a holding center. Children vanished. Year, 1991 to 1996. Main perpetrators, TNI Kodam 0103. Captain Hendra Saptono, ExxonMobil Infrastructure Ops, Mr. Leo F35. Chupin Saron, Siam Talira. Aran farmland bulldozed. 6 families never returned. Satellite shows current military compound. Year, 1990 to 1995. Main perpetrators, TNI Engineer Corps, Major Bambang Satadi, ExxonMobil Land Ops, Mr. Harun S36. Aliyu Bukit, Kot Girik. Civilian protest crushed. 12 shot, 3 killed, land used for fuel depot. Year, 1993 to 1998. Main perpetrators, Brimob Riot Unit, Inspi. Mulyono, ExxonMobil Logistics Safety, Mus Kartika Dewey 37. Aliyu Samambu, Bakhtiar. Entire population displaced. Over 240 hectares used for underground gas pipe facility. Year, 1991 to 1996. Main perpetrators, TNI, Lieutenant Udi Fadilla, ExxonMobil Pipeline Unit, Mr. RDL 38. Minasa Baro, Loksukon. 6 girls abducted and raped by SGI. Land never returned. Year, 1994 to 1998. Main perpetrators, SGI, Sergeant Rizki Saputra, TNI, Corporal Andy Kurniawan 39. Ujong Baro, UTARA. 260 hectares annexed for Joint Army corporate site. Locals denied compensation. Year, 1992 to 1997. Main perpetrators, TNI, Major Verjansia, ExxonMobil Asset Control, Mr. Richard T. Total land seized, locations 30 to 39, estimated 2,140 hectares. Each stolen hectare is written in blood. Each child lost is a wound to aCEH's soul. They stole our land, they raped our daughters, they buried our sons, and the world watched. The United Nations, Human Rights Watch, and other international organizations knew about these atrocities. They wrote hundreds, maybe thousands, of reports. But they never campaigned for us. They stayed silent. Are the aCEHese people not human? Do we not deserve the same human rights? Or is it because we were once powerful? Because our history is that of the greatest nation in Southeast Asia, where gender balance, dignity, and justice were honored long before the world used those words. All of it has been wiped out. Not by fate, but by colonizers, and by those who chose silence over justice. Or is this just pure discrimination? Would the world act differently if the victims looked different? If they were not aCEHese? Do you know more than 43,000 children? I repeat, more than 43,000 children. Kidnap, torture, raped for days until they died and murdered. Many of them as young as 6, 7, 8, 9 years old. They witnessed it, they wrote reports and reports about it. That's it. They continue supporting colonizer Indonesia. They open their office in Jakarta, they shake hand with them, they party with them. Our children just mean nothing and buried in silent and buried in their reports. This silence is not neutrality. This silence is betrayal. History will remember those who stood by while thousands of children were slaughtered. It will remember the logos that turned away. It will remember the handshakes over blood. But it will also remember those who spoke up. We speak not for revenge, but for dignity. We demand international trials, not ceremonial apologies. We demand reparations, not empty condolences. Share this with your communities, your networks, your classrooms. Because this is not just about aCEH. This is about whether the world still has a conscience. And whether the death of a child means something. We are not asking for pity, we are demanding justice. Let the world know, the people of aCEH are not broken. We remember, we document, we speak. To every government, to every journalist, to every international body who ignored our voices, your silence will be archived alongside our dead. One day, when the truth floods every hall of power, you will no longer be able to say, "We didn't know." Because we told you, and we are telling you now.